Live from clickorlando.com and WKMG, we're getting results in your neighborhood now at 6 p.m.
Now on News 6 at 6, a family in mourning talking about their grief.
It's not a day that go by that, we don't feel his presence and the sadness of the situation.
The message they want to send to others before they ever consider picking up a gun. Well, his family says he was house sitting when someone shot him in the back and killed him. Now that man's family is speaking out for the first time.
And they tell News 6 they hope his story will make a difference. News 6 reporter Catherine Silver shares their story from Seminole County.
It's not a day that go by that, we don't feel his presence and the sadness of the situation.
For Phillip McCrimmon Martin's family, his death comes with added anguish.
You feel that your son's death was preventable?
Yes, I do.
In November 2022, the 33-year-old was watching over his friend's apartment near 46 and Upsala Road in Sanford when he was shot and killed after an ongoing argument. Deputies say Kadeem Fisher chased him up the stairs, shooting him multiple times. This month, he was sentenced to life in prison.
He was the only son that I had, and I can't get that back.
McCrimmon Martin's parents have also settled a wrongful death lawsuit with the owners and former management of the apartment complex.
But there's no justice. They want one thing to happen, this not to happen to another family.
The family's lawyer, Michael Haggard, is also the secretary of the National Center for Victims of Crime.
We're here today, almost 8 years and 2 days from the tragedy at Pulse in Orlando. We wear orange today because in 2013, a young 15-year-old girl marched in President Obama's second inaugural parade. And then a week later, she was killed in a playground. And ever since then, June has been the month where we have National Gun Safety Awareness.
Just this weekend in Central Florida, a father of 3 was shot and killed in a driveway in St. Cloud. There were 2 shootings in Orlando. More than 3,000 Floridians died because of gun violence the same year McCrimmon Martin was killed.
I can be at work and I'm sitting there crying at my desk because I miss my son.
18 months later, and his mother's grief is still raw.
What do you hope people think about before they pick up that weapon or pull that trigger?
I will hope that they give it a second thought before they do.
In Seminole County, Catherine Silver, Getting Results, News 6.